Language of computer. When we want to communicate with a computer or give it instructions to do something, then we have to use a programming language. With the help of programming languages, we can draw, create animations, solve mathematical problems, and do much more with ease. But we will have to give specific instructions to the computer for this accordingly. This instruction is called programming language. There are many softwares of programming languages available in the computer for giving these instructions, or should we say, for programming. In this chapter, we are going to study one such software using which we can instruct a computer to perform mathematical operations, create animations, stories, and games too. The name of this software is Scratch. Let's learn Scratch today. I'm Scratch. Scratch is a new programming language. With its help, we can create games, animations, stories, and more on a computer as well as a cell phone. What is Scratch used for? Maths and science projects, creating animations, getting trained for advanced graphic programming, creating online and offline games, logical thinking. Open Scratch via the path Start, Programs, Scratch. This is the Scratch software window. Let's understand this window. This is a sprite. In Scratch, every object like an image, shape or a clip art is called a sprite. In Scratch, the programming is done for these sprites. So unless you insert the required sprites, you cannot do programming in Scratch. The area where a sprite is inserted is called the stage. We can change the color and outlook of the stage. Once you click on this green flag, the programming will start and appear in animation form. This button is to stop programming. The moving animation will stop once this button is pressed. This button is called presentation mode. If we click on this button, we can present the programming in full screen. These two commands are called view mode. The first view mode is switch to small stage. In this, the stage area reduces and we get a bigger area for the script. The other divided view mode is switch to full stage, where we get equal spaces for the stage and the script. This is the toolbar. You can see 4 tools in this toolbar. The first tool is duplicate. We can create a copy of a sprite with this tool. The second tool is delete. We can delete a sprite with this tool. The third tool is grow sprite. We can increase the size of a sprite with this tool. And the last tool is shrink sprite, with which we can reduce the size of a sprite. This area is called the current sprite info. With this, we can see the current location of all the sprites. This means that we can find out where they lie on the X or Y axis. We can change its name here and even see its direction in degrees. There are 3 tabs: scripts, costumes, and sounds. The first tab is the scripts tab, where programming is done. In Scratch, programming is called scripting. Whenever we have to do the scripting, we have to click on the Scripts tab. The area below, it is called the script area. The entire scripting is done in this area itself. Blocks help us in scripting. There are 8 types of blocks in all. Each block has a different function. When you click on a block, all the options it contains for scripting will open up. That is called a block palette. And this area will show a list of all the inserted sprites. It is called sprite list.